Hey guys, my name's John Erickson. I'm represented by Coast to Coast, and I'm auditioning for the role of the company CEO. So my take on being on time is basically, if you're not 15 minutes early, you're late. Being on time is all about how you do business and how you represent yourself. So always be on time. Without a doubt, this is the best looking report I've seen so far, and the numbers speak for themselves. Okay, a couple more meetings. We'll set it up right now. No need to wait. All right, Tuesday, boom. Wednesday, boom. And then you can see my availability for Thursday and Friday. And look, if we have to have a call over the weekend, not a problem. All right, talk to you later. Of course, I understand we have a deadline, and the investors are our priority. Well, let's take a look at the calendar. Here we are. Okay, so we have 6 meetings scheduled between Monday and Saturday. 6 a.m. Pacific for EMEA and 4 p.m. Pacific for APAC. Time zone's not an issue, everything's streamlined. Great. Talk to you tomorrow. Thanks.